If you're new in crypto and you're wondering where you can find your wallet address on Binance, then you're definitely in the right place. If you're looking for a wallet address on Binance, that means you're expecting to receive some crypto, and cryptocurrency comes in different forms. In this video, we're going to be looking at all the different forms that you can use to receive your crypto. Firstly, we're going to talk about Binance Pay, as this is a free option for you to send and receive cryptocurrency between Binance users. Firstly, you need to log into your Binance account, and if you don't have a Binance account, then click the link in the description box below to open your account and you surely get a bonus. Now that you've logged into your Binance account, click the three horizontal lines that are on the top left corner of your screen. Click More Services, click Pay, then click Receive. Here you will have access to a QR code that you can get scanned from the person that you're going to receive your crypto from. You can also copy your Binance ID here and send it to the person that is sending you crypto. That's one way. But if you're receiving crypto from someone that does not have a Binance account, then you'll have to first know which cryptocurrency you're receiving. It could be Bitcoin, Litecoin, or USDT that you're receiving. The thought process is the same. Let's say you're receiving Bitcoin. All you have to do is to click the deposit tab over here, then select Bitcoin. But if you're depositing a different crypto, then you can utilize this search tab and search for the crypto that you want to receive. In this case, it's Bitcoin. So select Bitcoin. Then choose the right network. For Bitcoin here, we have BTC Segwit, BTC, BNB Smart Chain BEP20, Lightning Network, and Ethereum ERC20. This is a very important part of the equation. And if you choose the wrong network, then you could lose your money. So let's say you choose the Bitcoin network. You get an important notice that you should read. Click Continue, then click this area to copy the address. Then you can send this address to the person that's meant to send you the crypto. And you should notify the sender that this is a Bitcoin address on the Bitcoin network. If there's something you didn't understand, then let us know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and see you on the next one.